Okay, we're going to do a kind of like a video tutorial on the JK15 by Rocknroll amps. It's got a few things going for it. It's an AC30 tone stack with a couple of modifications that you can get to through the switch. In the center it's stock, and then you got a boost on each side, which we'll get to. Got a 3-knob reverb, mix, dwell, and tone. And there's a post-phase inverter master volume, which we'll get to in a little while, maybe in a separate video, because right now I just want to do a video on the clean part, and then I'll do a short video on the dirty part. So to use this amp to its cleanest, you put the master on 10 and control your volume from here. Now I'm not playing with a pick. I'm using my fingers. This is a Parts Telecaster. Here you go. Okay, so change 1. This basically affects the tone stack. A little bit more mid-range, maybe a little bit more bottom on that. And then we go to the other side. Let's go back to normal. The jangle is kind of a reverse, I hate to call it a presence control, but kind of is. As you go further towards 10, it starts to cut off the top. As you know, Vox tone stacks are a little funky. The interaction between treble and bass is a little weird. And I've put a mid-range control in, which certainly the Vox, as far as I know, didn't have. By the way, when you go into boost 1 or boost 2, it changes how these interact, so you may want to change your mids, treble, how you set up over here. But I'm going to leave it alone for the moment. That is the size of it. Great sounding amp, and also it can be used with a pedal board, which I'm just going to give you a quick demo on that. Second to plug it in. Okay, the reverb on the amp plus a Boss digital delay DD6. Okay, I'm going to switch over to a J Rover drive. Okay, this is a J HRM. Alright, a Noble's ODR Mini. And this is an Ethos TWE1 set for some pretty high gain. This is a Rev G2. that's the amp set up in clean mode, and I'll be back with another video on how to use it in overdrive mode. Thanks for watching.